Hello, children. I hope you all are well. Now, we are going to discuss and revision about the chapter 1 of class 8th. Name is crop production and management. We will clear about the crop in this chapter. What is crop? When plants of the same kind are grown and cultivated at one place on a large scale, it is crop. अगर बहुत सारे एक ही प्रकार के प्लांट्स को बड़े पैमाने पर हम लोग उगाते हैं उसे क्रॉप बोलते हैं. सिंगल होगा तो प्लांट. मैज, दिस इज़ ए प्लांट and this is a maize crop. Most of the food we eat comes from growing crops like rice, wheat, vegetable. These are comes from the cultivating crops. Now we will discuss about the types of crop based on when they are sown. There are two types of crop. Number one is rabi crops and number two is kharif crops. We will discuss about the kharif crop. Kharif crops are sown in the monsoon season. In India, monsoon can differ from state to state, but it is usually lasts from June to September. Kharif crops require wet and hot conditions to grow. खरीफ क्रॉप बरसात में बोई जाती है जून के आखिरी से सितंबर तक. लाइक पैडी एंड कॉटन. Second type of crop is rabi crop. Rabi crops are sown in winter season and in India the winter season usually lasts from October to March. ये क्रॉप जो कि रबी क्रॉप है जाड़े में बोई जाती है अक्टूबर से मार्च के बीच में. रबी क्रॉप्स आर रिक्वायर्ड कूलर टेम्परेचर एंड ड्राई वेदर. इसे कम टेम्परेचर चाहिए इसलिए ये जाड़े में बोई जाती है. Now in this chapter we will discuss about the agricultural practices. In this, what are the main steps by which we can grow crops in the field? There are 7 steps. First of all, we have to know about agricultural practices. The process of growing crops involve different steps known as agricultural practices. These begin before the seeds of the crop are sown and continue until the crop is fully grown and ready for harvest. ये बीज के बोने से लेकर के फसल की कटाई तक अनवरत चालू रहती हैं. Images before list these pictures. Now there are 7 steps. Number 1, preparation of soil. Number 2, sowing. Number 3, addition of manure and fertilizers. Number 4, irrigation. 5, removal of weeds. 6, harvesting. 7, storage. First 2 steps come before irrigation and last 2 steps come after irrigation. And now we will discuss about the first step, that is preparation of soil. What is the preparation of soil? Why it is important and what is it? Preparation of soil means loosening and turning of soil. The big clumps of soil are broken into finer grains and the lower layers of soil are brought to the top. It is very important for the growth of crops. The process of preparation of soil is called tilling and plowing. से मिट्टी ढीली हो जाती है, बड़े टुकड़े टूट जाते हैं, नीचे की मिट्टी ऊपर आ जाती है. बट व्हाई इज इट इम्पॉर्टेंट? बिकॉज if the soil is not loose and turned, the roots of growing crops can't penetrate the soil. The nutrients in the soil are easily accessible to plants in the soil to turn and loosen. The loosened soil promote the growth of microbes, earthworm, which help in better growth. Microbes and earthworm का ग्रोथ होता है जो कि प्लांट के बेटर ग्रोथ के लिए ज़रूरी है. रूट्स नीचे तक चली जाती हैं and how can we do it? There are different implements used to prepare the soil. A plow or hoe is tool that can be pulled by animals like oxen pulls horses to prepare the field. पहले plow और hoe का use किया जाता था. Nowadays machinery like cultivator used to prepare the soil. It can prepare large field in a very short time, more efficient than using plows and animals. You can see in the picture cultivator. It is very useful and consume less time but more efficient. Now this is your homework which have you revised. Number 1 is what is crops, what is the difference between Rabi and Kharif crops, and third one, write the 7 steps of agriculture practices. So take care and goodbye.